Hello everyone, welcome back to the shed. I'm Lonnie.
Hey, welcome back. I'm Candace. Well, we just got back from the town community sale that we went to.
Abita.
Yes, it's in Abita Springs, Louisiana, and it's fun and frustrating because a lot of the older neighborhood roads are very narrow.
So hard to drive in
They
there.
barely fit 2 cars, and then you have people parking on the side, of course.
And then you have people parking on both sides.
Yes. So it takes a lot of patience, but you get to hit a lot of sales really quick. We were pretty much done by 10 o'clock, I think.
Yeah.
3 hours.
Yeah.
Just like
It was
bam,
fun.
bam,
It was
bam.
fun. It was just, it's a lot. I don't know.
Now in the middle of the town, the main roads in the middle of like downtown are like you can't drive
It's
down
like a
them.
fair festival.
Well, no,
like-
they rent out booths to vendors
Right.
and stuff. So we just went around all that. We didn't. There was probably 200 booths rented out or something.
I think we got some good stuff. We didn't buy a ton. After we film this, we're going to chill for about an hour, and then we are going to go back to Kevin and Danielle's storage unit to buy some more stuff from them.
Yeah.
So we are very busy today. We thought we would just shoot a quick bonus video for the weekend
Right.
to upload real quick and show y'all what we bought today.
Yep. So
we've been looking these up.
we can't find them. They're generic cards, I think. Ended up paying what 50 cents a piece for them, right?
Yeah. I paid $12 for all of them. There's 22 sealed decks, and it looked like something. It looked like real cards. I know they are real cards, but
Like a real brand, like a good brand.
right.
Just because the way they're sealed, and it says they're air cushion, which is good for poker cards.
But there is no brand
There's
on them,
no brand.
so that's probably a pretty bad buy. I could probably still sell them, but
Just lot them up and
they're not B or anything like that.
Yeah.
Or that's what I thought they were, because B has number 92, I think.
yeah.
These are number 99.
Well, on one side, then the other side says number.
That's the back.
The back is 77.
Yeah.
So I mean, if anything, we can lot them up. Somebody that has like poker games at their house or something will buy them.
Yeah, I guess.
All right, we have a Guitar Hero Legends of Rock.
Paid $5 for that.
It doesn't have the game now. It's just the guitar.
I don't know. I'm not
Oh.
sure.
Oh.
I opened it up just to look at the guitar, and the guitar looked newish to me. Let's open it up real quick.
Okay.
All right. I just glanced at it really
Oh
quick.
yeah, it's never been assembled. Looks like they.
I
took
don't
the
know.
game
I
out.
can't say that. I don't know if it's
there
probably
is wear on the edge of the
it's
strap
being used.
here.
Then it's being used.
Maybe once.
I don't know. I can't say how many times.
Yeah.
But it doesn't have. It looks like it's in great condition though.
Yeah.
Has a strap, neck, and yeah, like you said, there's no game.
Right.
I might have that game.
Oh, that'd be nice if you could bundle it all together.
Yeah, I think I might. I'm not sure though. What is this? That's just a thing to hold the.
Yeah, just
okay.
all the game.
Oh, you know what that is? You know what this is, Candace?
What?
They did this weird box on this. Move your hand, your arm. To where the manufacturer could actually. This is a one-way thing.
Oh, if they wanted to put a different game in there.
Or if the game wasn't ready yet, but they had the guitars ready, yeah. Then they could just pop the games in them.
Yeah, so it's Guitar Hero 3 Legends of Rock. So
Yep.
we'll have to see if we have that.
All right, I bought this little Sony radio. That was a dumb buy. That was really dumb. I shouldn't have bought that. It does have the, I'm not going to make any money on this. It does have the power cord in there, and the battery contacts were fine. And the antenna was in good condition too, but I still should not have bought that.
He was asking 3 for that.
No, he's asking 5, and then I went to set it down, and then the lady said 3, so I went ahead and bought it.
Okay.
And then you bought a cookbook at the same time. We'll show y'all in a minute.
We actually stopped at a couple of sales, like coming down the interstate on the way home. So this was one of the last sales we went to, and the lady, she was just done. We were looking at these shoes, and she goes, "Take anything you want for free." You know, I don't want to have to pick it up or bring it and donate it. I think she was hoping we take the whole table because she didn't have a lot of stuff.
We were just trying to decide if we wanted to mess with these or not.
Yeah.
These are some Cole Haan loafers, I guess. Yeah. They're pretty nice.
Yeah.
They have a lobster or a crawfish on the bottom.
Yeah, the soles are nice. They look like they might have been worn once. And then these little roller derby skates. So she told us just take them, but we gave her $5 for both pairs.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't feel good about just taking the stuff. Poor lady's sitting out there.
These are all like sling backpacks from Disney Cruise Line's Castaway Club.
That's your new thing, huh? That's your new little niche, isn't it?
Well, yeah.
Disney bags?
Yeah. Because they're expensive. She was asking 4, and there's 4 of them, so I asked her if she'd take 12, and she took it for all 4.
Yeah. What was that? What were those Disney bags you got before?
Those are just from the parks. This is from
The cruise line?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I did have one tote from the cruise line. I did.
Well, wait a sec. What's this? Is this $200? No, it's not.
$200.
$200. Okay.
This is a Betsy Johnson
Hey,
hand.
I got a question.
Yeah.
Is that a hole for like a straw to come out of?
Yeah, it's for earbuds.
Oh, is that what that's for?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know
You
why I
would think it
thought-
was like a Camelback,
I don't know. Yeah.
or to
Okay.
pour your margarita in there.
Is that what it's for though? It's for earbuds?
Yeah, that's earbuds.
Okay, gotcha. I'm sorry. Go ahead. As you were.
Betsy Johnson handbag. It's never been used, new. And I did check it out. It's still got like the stuffing in there, and it's clean, and it's definitely never been used. So they were asking 20, and I offered 15, and she took it.
I see one stitch that's pulled right here. That's not good.
Well, that could be from the manufacturer.
I know, but still
Yeah.
not good. And is there like a front and back? Yeah. See, that's the side with the big bow thing on it.
So somebody will get a good discount.
Yeah. Okay. What do you think that's worth? You have no idea, huh?
I mean, probably about 40, 50 bucks.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine.
I was hoping more because the retail is 108, but
You can usually chop retail in half,
Yeah.
at least.
yeah.
Okay, this was actually one of my pickups. When our older daughter was young, she read these books, these Warrior Cat
She
books.
loved them. Oh my gosh.
So anyway, I saw these on a table. She wanted 2 for $1, so I ended up buying all of them for $3, and I think we can get 20 for the set
Yeah,
as a stack.
It's books 1 through 6 in this Power of 3 series, so
Yeah.
that's good. We can sell them all together.
Yeah, I think that'll be an easy sell. That I saw a lot of solds on eBay.
All right, these are Tiffany sunglasses, and of course you can't go by this. I asked the lady if they were authentic, and she said yes, but based on our other interactions at the sale, I felt like there's a good chance it was.
How are you gonna? Now, what are you gonna do?
I don't know.
How are you gonna figure it out?
She was asking 20. I'll have to get on some sites and see how to, And I offered 10, and we settled on 15. So there is like this little paperwork stuff, but I mean that can be fake.
I thought
too.
that was cleaning cloths in there or
No, it's
something.
got like paperwork in here and stuff. So
Okay.
I don't know. I'll have to get on some sites and
Try the
see.
glasses on. Let's see what they look like. Just in case they are. Oh, they're big for your head.
Everything. I have to wear like kids' glasses. My face is so little. Yeah. Although big glasses are in now. I don't know. They just feel too big though. Like,
They are. They're too big for your
like they're gonna fall off.
for your head, for your face, whatever. Okay, 15 for that.
Yeah, that's the same sale where we got the Guitar Hero, and also picked up these. They're called Crybabies. I've never seen them before, so I looked them up. Well, I looked this one up real quick, and it sells for like 20 to 30
For that one?
Yeah. So she had them for 5 each, and I asked if she'd do 3 each. What they are is when you take their pacifier out, they cry, and then there's little holes right here. You put water in them somewhere, and they cry like real tears.
Oh, why would somebody want
I
that?
don't know. It's just what they do.
Okay.
And then these are Kohl's Cares plush, and I've done well with them in the past. This is Dr. Seuss. I ended up paying $1 each for them. And this is, I thought it was Dr. Seuss, but it's not. It's something Coral or something. I don't know. Anyway, this one's not really worth much, but he's worth about 15. Or no, he's worth 12, so I'll probably just do them both for 15.
Okay.
So, I'm not going to pick those up anymore. There is one Dr. Seuss one that's worth a lot of money. I don't remember which one it is.
I bought this model for $3, not the $5. And yeah,
Still on trees.
Yeah, this is still sealed and everything.
Yeah.
And there is the other track is down there. It's clearly never been built. So paid $3 for that. I did not look it up, so I have no idea. It is a Tamiya models usually do pretty good.
Paid $1 for each of these cookbooks. This is a Virginia seafood cookbook.
Well, Virginia is on the coast, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's
they
true.
have seafood.
Okay.
And then cookery, New Orleans style. We don't say that, or
New Orleans.
New Orleans.
That's people that, yeah.
I
Oh,
like
look.
the artwork there.
Cafe Beignet. It's not. It's Cafe Du Monde.
Yeah, well that would be.
Trademark or copyright
Yeah.
valid. Oh, look, it's got some cool artwork in
It
it.
does. That looks like a really nice book. So,
Yeah.
so I got both of those for $1.
Okay. And one more round of stuff here. And we don't buy a ton of like clothing and stuff, but we do pick up jackets occasionally.
This is a Reebok
On field.
New Orleans Saints jacket. It's pretty nice looking.
Yeah.
It's a good size too. It's a 2X. They were asking 10, and they
Paid $7.
Yeah, they took 7.
We bought that at the same time we bought the model tank
Yeah,
because we paid 10 for the tank and the jacket.
yeah, 10 altogether.
Yeah. Now these shoes are interesting. I actually picked these out of a box of shoes
Yeah,
and I handed them to Candace because I was like, man, these seem cool.
they are. They're Palladium shoes. We
Yeah.
paid $2 for them, and
Boy, they're in great condition too.
you can unsnap them and then wear them like high top. Well, no, like boot, like
Right.
combat boot type, or you can put them like high top length. And yeah, this tongue can go out like that, or if you know.
Those are cool. Like, and we looked on I looked on eBay just now, and here's some that are similar.
Different pattern, but they're the same shoe, just a different pattern and color scheme.
Right. And it says Billionaire Boys Club.
Yeah.
I don't know. I know. I think I told Candace. I think that's that Pharrell guy, or Farrell. How do you say his name?
It's not Farrell. That's what Wildcats.
I know. Pharrell. It's
Pharrell.
Pharrell. Williams, right?
Yeah.
Is that his name?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's his. I think that's his brand.
I didn't know that.
Billionaire Boys Club.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Maybe unless they did like a collab or something. I haven't.
Yeah, I don't know.
Y'all make fun of me now because I don't know. Y'all know I don't know all that
Anyway,
kind of stuff.
$2 for those.
Yeah, they are
These
cool.
Lonnie said these are good. We paid $3 for
Well,
them.
now when I say good, I don't mean like wow or anything,
I
but
like the brand.
yeah, no, those are Bates.
Yeah.
These are Bates boots, and they are steel toe. They have a little bit of wear to them, but they're not bad.
They're not horrible. The soles still look pretty good.
Yeah, no, they're good. They have the side zip on them. They're cool boots.
Yeah.
A lot of times, guys in the military would buy this kind of thing just to be more comfortable, because these wear, with the steel toe, they're not going to be super comfortable still, but these would probably wear more like a tennis shoe almost than a boot.
Instead of issue. Yeah.
Right.
All right, these we paid $3 for both of these pair of Converse.
At 2 different sales too.
Yeah.
We
They were
were
both asking $5, and we asked for $3 because they were both kind of later in the morning.
Right.
And they took it. They're just basic Converse. But
Very basic. They don't get any more basic than that, do they?
Nope.
Especially the white ones.
These are both Clarks. They're the same shoe, just different color. And I paid $3 for them. I don't know if they're not new. No.
Flex that heel on that one.
Okay.
Or not the heel, but the sole. Yeah. Clark's.
They're bad for breaking down.
They are.
Okay.
They are.
No, I think these are good.
Okay, cool. And I already checked the brown pair.
Yeah.
So,
They look comfortable. They're not very attractive.
no, they're not. I was thinking the same thing. I was like, man, these are some really cool looking shoes.
Yeah.
And then we whip those things out.
We have
It's like,
something for everyone.
well,
Right?
except for me, I can't fit any of these.
Well, I mean, style-wise.
Right. No, you're right.
That's everything we picked up this morning.
Yeah, we're tired too, and we have more work to do. We have more work to do. We're going to go make that buy in a bit after I edit and upload this.
Yeah, you gonna put it up today?
I think so. Why not? Why not? It's not going to be a very long video, but I just thought we'd give y'all a little bonus footage because I know we're going to have so many other opportunities to get footage coming up, and we're going to be busy. So
Yeah.
figured I'd go ahead and fire this one off at y'all. Hope y'all are having a great weekend, and we will see y'all again very soon. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye-bye.
Bye.